Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You already have what matters: a pencil, paper, and curiosity. Now act. Begin with 5-10-minute warm-ups, straight lines, circles, and quick value scales to wake your hand. Once done, draw 3 simple objects using large shapes and 1 flowing gesture line each. Focus on proportion, not detail. Make sure to hold the pencil lightly and vary pressure for tone. This first step trains observation and muscle memory. Do it daily to build a reliable foundation. Now deepen the process. Convert what you see into simple volumes, sphere, cylinder, box, to understand form. Use sighting with your pencil to capture angles and proportional ratios. Once you confirm a correct measurement, lock it in lightly. Then construct contours and begin building midtones with controlled hatching, blending where needed to suggest planes. Make corrections deliberately. Erase to simplify, redraw to strengthen. This stage is about translating observation. To finish, refine edges and add highlights sparingly so the eye finds the focal point. Texture should support form, not clutter it. Once done, step back or rotate your paper to check balance and contrast. Make sure values read correctly from a distance. If proportions feel wrong, go back and remeasure basic shapes before detailing. Troubleshooting tip: when stuck, simplify the drawing to the 3 core volumes, rest your eyes for 5-10 minutes, then correct with fresh observation to avoid overworking.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.